bread. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm going to the car wash right now, and as a big man, so I'm gonna eat one zesty white cheddar. I can't find it, you know. Oh my god, the car wash, and then see where the day lead me. Probably just the car wash alone, my god. I don't know. My car dirty, bad. I don't know where my voice going, but we have fixed that too. So come work at the car wash. The fall guys, so can you come pick up your clothes? I have them folded. I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. So Phoenix finish wash, and I think this is very unreasonable. The elements are really unreasonable. The atmosphere really unreasonable right now. Because why is it that as Phoenix wash, it's raining? Why? I just not love that. Me no lobby. As Phoenix wash, it's raining. Me no love it. But cha. And if I want thing about me, I always sweat. Welcome back, guys. Today is a new day. My head to we have got to stop meeting like this. I'm realizing that we meet a lot in my car. We have got to stop meeting like this, friend. Anyways, heading to the doctor for a checkup, you know, regular maintenance. I don't know if I told me I got a doctor. My well pop out oats, overnight oats with pineapples, berries. Try it with pineapples, guys. Try it with pineapples. Yeah, and blueberries, and I gave to sweeten. I don't know if I do it to impress my doctor, but come here, doctor. Yeah. Reach on my doctor. I'm going to go in, you know. My people, them, you know. My people, them, you know. I'm here. I'm pretty sure. My dear. I like it. See if it pressure. Pressure eye. A man is stressing me. Come on, take it again. Relax. Right. Doctor's appointment. Doctor's visit was good. Reached Pegasus. I'm going to go do local work. What do we call it? Let's look at the. Yeah, that's it. So I'm going to go do some work and then call it a day. I need to finish edit the video. Will come out the week before this. So, yeah. Come, we're going to Pegasus. Controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get reach, and I gotta salad. The 26 and after the letter. Salad is called executive chef. from the restaurant, Pegasus, Brunch, let's wing, Brunch, let's wing. I really and truly can't do without, I can't do without you, but you have natural cool. Natural cool. You go ever. So great. What is this today? What is it? You can't just diss and come tell man sorry. With the salad. You can't listen to me talk and go tell my story. No, la body squat big bro. Don't work like that when you're too chunky, man. What's up this I do somewhere? Too chunky. That's everything I love about that. Something. She's sick. Let's put it on. Let's put something. Something out. This is kind of have somewhere. Controller. Yeah. And I'm never on wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they breathe. I just wanna remind, I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely. Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you hardly come breakfastja.com/dine. And that with you carry the seasoning they come here, cause she a true Jamaican farm. It's another day I want to see me eat food, so I tell you no say. One is a breakfast, I have a little special I go on. Name brunch and chill or chill and brunch. Fabulous. You get 2 meals, 2 complimentary mimosas for the price like 5,000 something. Really and truly, like a valid for me. I can feed me and my friend. I will pay the money now. I go in my plate. I got hash browns. No, I ordered the hash browns separate and apart from what's in my plate. I got bacons, Italian sausage. I ordered pancakes, cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake pancake, and scrambled eggs. Fabulous. The food, good. You know them are gonna give you the egg gram, so you can add your salt or your pepper on it all you want it. But it's good. You know no complain. You genuinely not complain. You genuinely not complain. It's good. You gotta wrap up this, box up this, and then go back to the office and have a. Can't tell you, I get one money for work for them. So I have to do that. And then, you know, this vlog really and truly is a very calm one. Also, big up to my Ghana people that I soon watch, and I love that. As a young girl, small, Girl in Jamaica, we just do our thing and I shoot a little vlog, them I share a little bits and pieces of our life. And stay all the way from over Ghana and watch me. Big up you. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Share. I'm not saying now comment, you know. You have to drop the comment game. Remember? Remember. Have a good one. Bye bye.